Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. On this week's video, I'll be showing you how to create a DIY massage oil for babies and those with sensitive skin. So let's go ahead and get started. The first ingredient that I'll be using is fractionated coconut oil. Coconut oil is so beneficial in so many ways for those that have sensitive skin along with babies, because not only does it absorb quickly into the skin, but it really locks in moisture. Once I have added the fractionated coconut oil, I'll be adding some jojoba oil to that. This is a great anti-inflammatory ingredient, and it is known to be hyperallergenic, which is great on baby skin along with those that have sensitive skin. Apricot kernel oil will be the next ingredient I'm adding. This is a great oil for massaging. It not only glides well on the skin, but it makes it nice and soft and moisturized. For rashes and those that have delicate skin, this next ingredient I will be adding is calendula infused safflower oil. I actually created this myself, and I simply infused calendula petals for 4 to 6 weeks in my safflower oil. To add a little more moisture to the skin, I will be adding some vitamin E oil. Now that all the ingredients have been added, and before I package my massage oil, I am simply going to stir this just to make sure that everything is nicely incorporated. Now that my massage oil is ready to package, I will be using this dispenser bottle with a pump. I find this makes for easy application. Now, to use this massage oil, you're just going to take a little and put it in your palm of your hand and gently apply to the skin, going in a circular motion. This will absorb easily into the skin, leaving it feeling nice and soft. So here is the formula that I used to create this massage oil today. I also included some substitutions. For substitutions, you could add some essential oil. Be careful because essential oils can be really strong and irritating to baby skin. That is why I didn't add any, but you could add some lavender essential oil if you choose. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.